What is up, gangsters? I know we're somewhere else in a different environment, but we're outside. Outside, everybody, outside. So we're outside, and yeah, I got an annoying cut on my lip, see? Well, we're outside for Vlogmas Day 3. So today, you guys, we're just about to be doing a nature walk and exploring nature. My favorite thing. So let's get it. So first we're not going to the, see, that's exactly why I hate filming outside, because it's so much noise. You hear that? Yeah, somebody's mowing their lawn. Anyway, so let's go on our nature walk. I'm not going to the backyard, but like I'm going like to the entry of the backyard. So you first go to the backyard. You see the, let's explore it. So you see some leaves. To know if it's healthy or not, if you crunch it, look. If it just like crumbles up, that means it's unhealthy and it's about to die. But if it stays in a plant, that means it's still alive. So this baby's still alive. Okay. I don't really have nothing special. You see some roots right here? Hold up. You can see some roots right here. Rooting for, is this a root or a weed? I'm sorry, I know the difference. Okay, so that was the beginning of the backyard. We're not going to the backyard. I don't know what's back there. Okay, so now let's go to the side of the house. This is a nature creek. Hold up. You see some fresh mud, some glass. That's not safe. See the, over here, this is where the dead grass is. Dead grass is when you have like this brownish grass and you can see the mud right through it. Yeah. Nature walk, nature walk, nature walk. And you guys, this is grass. This is a sprout of very healthy grass. See how green that is? It is very healthy, very healthy. And so I'm just exploring. Hey. Have to say hey to the neighbors and I have to act like I'm not actually doing anything. Okay, so here's a tree. Here's a tree. This is a dead tree. Not dead, it's because of the weather. And look at the beautiful sky. Nature is beautiful. Have little cobwebs from Halloween. Got these from Halloween, but they're still kind of there. This is a dead stick. This whole part is dead, this whole one. You see how this like is brown and healthy, and this is this dark brown. Looks burnt, then the leaves are holding on from a thread. See, let me take these cobwebs. You see how the leaves are hanging from the thread? Look at that. Look at that. See, these are hangers from a thread. All I gotta do is slap it. Y'all see all those? I love how we're not exploring nature. We're just exploring my yard. Oh, here's... So these may not look like flowers, but they're actually... They're not dead, but... Let me educate you right now. If the weather has changed and you think your flower's dead, please do not throw them away. The flowers, they can't take that coldness, cause like they just can't take the coldness cause there's no sun or anything. So they just suck all their water out. Then the bees will come get it. So yeah. So, see the dead flowers. You see these soft leaves? Yeah, I know what those do. And some clovers. I'm scared to have some bird about to poop on me. Some clovers. I never found out what these were. I thought they were mint, but like, yeah. Still don't know. Alright, you guys. So, I'm about to do my dance move of the day. I pray that nobody's looking right now. Never mind. So, you guys, bye you guys. I'll see you on Vlogmas Day 4, aka Christmas Eve. I'm a Viner. Okay, I'm just kidding. Bye you guys, and I love you. See you on Vlogmas Day 24.